Welcome to this tutorial where I'll guide you step by step on how to use the Item Finder tool with Amazon as your supplier inside ZIK Analytics. The Item Finder is a powerful feature designed to help you match products sold on eBay with their sourcing options from your preferred supplier. It appears as a small icon next to the listing, a box with the supplier's logo on it. When clicked, the tool cross-references the eBay product with available listings from suppliers like Amazon and shows you either an exact match or a similar match. You'll find the Item Finder icon across multiple ZIK Analytics tools, including the Market Insights Dashboard, Product Research, Competitor Research, Product Explorer, and the ZIK AI tools. Anywhere ZIK is analyzing a product that's been sold on eBay, the Item Finder will be right there with it. Step 1, setting up the Item Finder. To get the most accurate results, it's important to configure the tool properly. Go to the quick settings on the left side of the dashboard. Make sure to set your marketplace, for example, ebay.com. Choose the correct shipping location, example, United States, and select your source supplier, an example, Amazon.com. If you're sourcing from local suppliers like Amazon or Walmart, make sure the shipping location is set to the United States. Next, set your break-even percentage. This depends on your selling fees and business model, but it's usually between 15% and 19%. For this example, I'll use 16%. This setting affects your profit calculation across ZIK. Once everything is in place, click Apply Changes and you're good to go. Step 2, understanding the match types. When using the Item Finder, here's how to read the results. A green check mark means ZIK found an exact match. If there's no check mark, but the supplier logo appears, that's a similar match, usually a product with comparable or better qualities. The red box means no match was found. We'll cover what to do with unmatched products later in this video. Step 3, product comparison and sourcing. Let's walk through a live example by scanning this eBay dropshipper products using the competitor research tool on ZIK. I will go to this eBay About section and copy his seller ID, and then I will paste it into the competitor research tool on ZIK. After adding this competitor, I will click on one of the products with the Item Finder icon. If ZIK shows a green check mark, the Item Finder identified exact match, and you can see its recent eBay sales data. Let's say it sold 10 times in the past 7 days and is sourced from Amazon with a potential profit of $13.89 after eBay fees. Before adding it to your store, you'll want to compare prices with other suppliers to maximize profit. Switch to the Walmart tab or click one of the supplier icons like AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping to see if a better price is available. Also, for each product suggested by the Item Finder, you will be able to see the profit margin and the return on investment, ROI, to understand better the product profitability. And for Amazon sourcing, you will be able to see if the product found by the Item Finder is a prime product or not, in the star rating count and the eBay product feedback score. Step 4, handling similar or unmatched products. Now that we have covered what to do when facing a situation where the Item Finder finds the exact product from Amazon, if you get a similar match, you will need to review the product details. If the quality and price match your standards, it could be a great alternative to list. If no match is found and the box turns red, don't skip it. That's often a sign the seller is using a hidden source, and that usually means higher margins and lower competition. So here's what to do in case the Item Finder didn't find a good similar item or didn't find the item at all. Manually search for the product on Amazon using the title. Once found, copy the ASIN, which is a unique product code that each product has on Amazon. Paste it into the column in ZIK and click Reload to update the match. You can also use Google Lens to search by image, especially if the eBay listing uses custom photos. Try typing Amazon in the Google Lens search bar to narrow your manual search. Step 5 is how to save a product to a ZIK folder. If you want to save a product you found, it's a quick and easy process. You can create a custom folder inside ZIK Analytics and save products into it. From there, you can either upload the products directly to an automation software like AutoDS, or generate a CSV file that you can use to upload the products into any automation tool, or even list them manually. To do this from the item finder, simply click Select a folder, then click New Folder. If you don't have one, you can save the product too. Name the folder. After that, click Save to Folder. All your saved folders will be available under the My Product section. From there, you can open any folder, request a CSV file of all or selected products, or upload them directly to your connected automation software. Step 6, how to add products to an automation software. One of the most powerful time-saving features in ZIK Analytics is the ability to send products directly to your automation software, as long as it's integrated with ZIK. Here's how it works. Click Add to Store on the product you want to export. Choose your integration. For example, AutoDS. Once connected, click Add to the automation software you choose. The product will be sent directly to your automation software and appear in the draft section, ready to be reviewed or published to eBay. This seamless integration allows you to save time, stay organized, and scale your store more efficiently by skipping the manual upload process. And that's it. You now know how to use the item finder to match, compare, and source profitable products from Amazon using ZIK Analytics. This is one of the fastest ways to find winning items, boost your margins, and scale your eBay dropshipping store with confidence. Thanks for watching this tutorial.